Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different to the other ones I've uploaded before, especially to my makeup tutorials. You might have seen it in the title. It says somebody else does my voiceover. That means I show you how I've created this makeup look, and the voice in the voiceover is actually not mine. It's the voice from a good friend of mine. His name is Erwin, and when I've just asked him to do this voiceover, he was like, oh no, I'm not sure because I don't know anything about makeup and maybe this voiceover won't turn out good. And I was like, that's great, that's fine, because the less you know, the better and funnier this voiceover will be. So if you're interested how I've created this makeup look and especially how the voiceover turned out, then just keep on watching.
Hey guys, my name is Erin and I'm doing today the voiceover for Sandra. And Sandra is a friend of me from Austria and I'm living in the Netherlands. This is actually the first time that I'm doing a video like this, so don't blame me for the mistakes. And let's start from here. I put some placards around the eyes. I don't even know what a function for it is, but we will probably see that later in this video. Alright, this looks like a concealer, and you put this concealer on both of your eyes, on your eyelids. And here comes the magic thing. You take a small brush, you tap it on your eyelids, and don't forget to do the same on the other eye. And that's what I'm doing right now. Your skin will look beautiful afterwards. Right now I take a bigger brush and I put this again on my eye and I tap it once again and really smoothly so that you don't hurt yourself with it. Right now I take a palette, and this is the most difficult thing. Which color am I going to pick? And this time it looks like a bronze color. And you don't put that much on it, otherwise it will be horrible for your skin. So take a smaller brush again and spread it around your eyelids, or it's not even on your eyelids, it looks like it's a little bit above of it. And on the other eye you do exactly the same, just do it again really smoothly. And you already see the difference. That actually looks really beautiful, and it turns out to be a little bit more bronze. And we go for a small box. It's like Christmas actually. You take every time another box. In the inner box there's another kind of makeup. Alright, this looks like a pink version, and you put it once again on your eye. And don't forget to do that, to do the same on the other eye. And we take a smaller brush once again. You do that around your eye. You go to the next eye and you do the same once again. Alright, now it looks like a black line. What? A black line? Let's take a better look here. She's putting a line around the eye, and you have to do that really smoothly. You really have to concentrate on that, and you have to keep an eye on your mirror because you don't want to hurt yourself with that, and you don't want to hurt your eye because you don't want to walk around with a red eye, right? Alright, now we take how is that thing called? It's an eyelash, I think. And with the eyelash you get some bigger hairs, right? Well, it actually looks really beautiful, so it's doing its work, I think. Alright, you go right now to the next eye. You put the hairs a little bit higher, a bit thicker, and yeah, it looks just beautiful, that's true. Okay, number 2, what are we going to do now? We're putting another layer on it, and like you see, you have to do that once again really smooth. So don't forget, that's a tip from me, to concentrate on your eyes because you don't want to hurt yourself, right? Alright, You already see the difference from the first seconds of this video and the seconds from here. And see what I did? I put the placards away, and don't put it on the ground, by the way. Put it in the trash can. All right, we're going to the face, I think. I take some baby skin, because who doesn't want to look like a baby, right? With a lovely baby skin. Alright, you put it next to your nose and you're going to spread it really beautiful around your chin, around your cheeks, and around your neck, and don't forget your forehead, and put some fresh air to your face, because you have to dry it, I think. Okay, we're going to the next one that looks like a nude color, or it's a little bit more darker, and put it on the palm of your hand. And then what's going to happen? You put another color, and you're actually going to mix it. It's like I'm back in high school, that I was in painting class and that you had to mix all the things to each other, and then you had to get another color. And this is just like magic, because Sandra is actually doing the same. You tap it again, you get a beautiful color, you put it on your cheeks, and then even on your chin, on your forehead. And then you're going to tap it again with a sponge, and you already see what's happening around the cheeks. It gets a fresh new layer, and you get another color, a beautiful nice color, and you dab it or tap it, whatever you want to call it, around your neck, around your forehead, around your cheeks, around your nose. Just kind of like everywhere, only you're just don't put it around your eyes, a little bit spreading everywhere. Alright, we're going right now to the eyebrows, and it seems like we're doing it in the right form, and then we're going to paint it a little bit more so they look a little bit more full. And you already see what's happening. They are getting thicker, the color is more bright. And then we're going to brush them, I think. That looks like brushing, like your hair, but then for your eyebrows. And Sandra is doing a great job, I think. And she's brushing it in the right form. Alright, we're going right now to the lips, because for humans the lips are really the lips are important for them. And Sandra put some lipstick, I think, on her lips. I'm not sure, but it looks like. And right now we're putting some pumpkin color under your eyes. You put some beautiful pumpkin color under your eyes. And actually, what's going to happen now? Sandra is doing some magic hands in the air, so there's something coming up, I think. Alright, this is just magic, I already see what's coming. You put some concealer again, I think, on your forehead, on your chin, and then you grab the sponge and you spread it, you tap it, you dab it everywhere. On your nose, on your forehead, on your chin, and then you put the concealer over the pumpkin color, and you can do it, you can put a lot in it, and then you grab the sponge again and you spread it again everywhere. And don't forget, again, a tip from me, be careful with your eyes. Alright, now again you put the concealer on the other eye over the pumpkin color, and you already see what's happening. Now we put some extra concealer, another layer over it, and then you start dabbing it again. Tap, 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 and there you go. You get some extra fresh new layers around your eyes. And ta-da! There it is. Now we're going to brighten it up. That's what it's called, right? Because the brand is Brighten Up or something like that. You take the big brush again, you tap it around, and now you take the sponge and you do it careful again under your eyes, an extra new layer. You already see the big difference from the beginning and already in this stage of the video. Right now we take the palette once again, we pick a beautiful color, and it actually looks like a bronze color again. And don't put that much on it, but just a little bit, so just the touch, you know. And then you put it in the corner of your eyes, and you have to do it really careful once again. And then we take the eyelash, I think, again, but now for the bottom of the eye, and that's perfect. Now we take the palette once again, we take the pink color, we do it right under the eyebrow in a beautiful move, you see. Now in the corner of the eye, we spread it a little bit more, and we go to the other eye and we spread it once again, and now we're going to see some magic, I think, because we're seeing some gold, a gold color. Or is it actually a blush? Because to be honest, I love blushes, really. Okay, we're spreading it, it seems like it's a blush, right? Yeah, I think so. Okay, we're spreading it once again, the blush. It looks like it's a little bit more gold and bronze. And we're doing the same on the forehead. And now we're going back to the nose. We're going to do the same around my chin. And right now, oh, there's the blush, I think. That's a pink blush. Yeah, that's it. I love pink blushes. And do it around your cheek. And we're going back to the palette. And which color is Sandra going to pick right now? It seems like it's a bronze color, I think. So she is right now doing the final touch around her cheek. Oh my god, it's actually lighting up. So that means it's just a kind of shining magic what she's doing right now. Just she put it on her face, the magic is happening, and there is some shining around her face. Okay, we're going back to the sponge and we're dabbing it smoothly and smoothly, and even on the other side of the skin she's doing it really smoothly. Right now she grabs the lipstick, she put it on her lips, and it looks like a pink purple color. And ta-da! It seems like she finished. And thank you very much for watching. This was the first time I did my voiceover. I want to thank you so much for watching. And maybe I see you guys next time. Bye bye!